Selecting a siding color can be a very difficult task. What we like to do is simplify that for you by bringing in a designer. And what that designer is going to do is she's going to pay attention to some of the things that are going on with your house currently and even in your neighborhood. The first thing that she'll do is she will look at the houses around you. Of course, we don't want all the houses to be the same color. The next thing that she's going to do, she's going to look at some of the elements that are not going to be changed. And generally speaking, that is one of the more important things that she'll be using to help determine what direction you should go in, because yes, we're replacing the siding, but you may have stone, you may have brick, and those colors are going to be what they're going to be. To further help simplify this process, we utilize James Hardie fiber cement siding. The majority of our clients select to go with the statement collection. Within that statement collection, there's only about 15 to 20 colors to choose from. The colors that we see in there that are the most popular are going to be your whites, your grays, your greens, browns, and fortunately for homeowners, they've got many different hues to choose from. In addition to the body color, selecting an accent color that's going to pair well with the color selected, also taking into consideration some of those elements that are going to be left behind. Of course, we want everything to look amazing. We offer an option to see your home with a visual tool, which will give you further confidence as you go through this design process. Selecting the colors right the first time are obviously extremely important, seeing as we want to do this once and we don't want to do it again for many, many years.